Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see cosine representation, that is nothing but alternate form of trigonometric Fourier series. And we know how my trigonometric Fourier series has been represented. It is given by x of t is equal to a naught plus summation of n equals to 1 to infinity a n cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. So this is my trigonometric Fourier series representation, and we know this contains sine and cosine terms of equal frequencies. So when we substitute our Fourier coefficient a naught equals to a0, an, these a and a naught are nothing but our Fourier coefficients, is equal to an square plus bn square, and we have cos theta n is equal to an by under root of an square plus bn square. Then we have sin theta n is equal to bn upon under root of an square plus bn square. Then this where the theta n is, that is theta n will be equal to what? Minus tan inverse of bn by an. So by substituting these values, what we will obtain is x of t is equal to small a naught will become capital A naught, and we have under root of n equals to 1 to infinity. Capital an will come common, and we will be left with cos theta n and cos n omega naught t minus sin theta n into sin n omega naught t. So from this expression, this can again be, this is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is of this form. So this is written by cos A plus B. So the same thing here we can write it down as x of t is equal to a naught plus summation of 1 n equals to 1 to infinity a n as it is. We have cos of n omega naught t plus theta n. So this is how my cosine representation of Fourier series looks like. So we have obtained this. So this sinusoid, that is cosine wave, will have, which is having frequencies, that is omega naught. When we put the value n equals to 1, then it has the frequency has the value 2 omega naught, then 3 omega naught, and so on. So a naught component is nothing but the DC component, DC term. DC component is a naught of x of t, and we have, and the second term, this a naught is the first term, and the second term is this an cos n omega naught t plus theta naught is nothing but it is called as nth harmonic component of x of t. So where my first harmonic component will be nothing but where this n will become 1 and this n will become 1, that will be first harmonic, and that is also known as fundamental component, or fundamental component of x of t. So an is known as, it represents what? Amplitude coefficients or harmonic amplitudes. It is also known as harmonic amplitudes, which is also known as spectral amplitudes. So where this theta n is known as phase coefficients or phase angles or spectral angles. So this cosine form of Fourier series is also known as this cosine form of Fourier series is also known as harmonic form Fourier series or polar form Fourier series. Fourier series. So in this video we have discussed how we obtained a cosine form of Fourier series from trigonometric Fourier series representation. So we have successfully done that, and we have seen what all different components it possesses. That is A naught is DC component, A n cos n omega naught t plus or theta n. The other term is n is known as nth harmonic component of x of t. If we substitute n equals to 1, that makes the whole term as the first harmonic component or fundamental component. And then an is also known as amplitude coefficients or harmonic amplitudes or spectral amplitudes, and theta n in that equation is known as phase coefficients or phase angles or spectral angles. So I end my lecture video here. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and thank you.